Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Today I spent the morning getting my house cleaned up. I actually went and did a load of laundry, 4 loads of laundry. It's a little bit later in the morning than I've typically started the vlog. This morning I actually spent some time just like getting my life in order. So I did a lot of laundry. It's actually so nice to have laundry in the building instead of in my unit because we have like industrial washing machines, and on a morning like today there was nobody else down there, so I was able to do 4 loads of laundry all at the same time. So that's all in the dryer right now. So yeah, I did some laundry, I did my dishes. If you can hear the dishwasher in the background, that's why. I took a shower, did my makeup. I just like tidied up the place, you know, put things away that needed to be put away, all of that. So I'm feeling really good. My house is in order, I'm in order. Today is another one of those days where I don't have a ton planned, but I think we'll probably go on a little walk for lunch. I'll show you guys the little lake that I like to walk around. And then we'll see what we want to do this evening. I feel like we should get out of the house tonight. So we'll keep our options open and see where the day takes us. Can you tell I like a certain palette of colors? Oh, today has been a day full of chores. I got my groceries delivered. I use Instacart because I get groceries from 2 different places every time. I do one order from H Mart and one order from Aldi. Aldi is like basics, staples, and then I get all of my specialty like Asian products from H Mart. It's all mixed up. It takes forever to shake it, but it's shaken and it's worth it. Let's try a bite. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. It's so good every time. I need to go on a walk. I've been cooped up in this house for way too long. We need to go get some fresh air. I'm going to show you guys this little lake that I walk around. I think going around the lake once is a quarter mile. So sometimes I'll walk around it like 4 times just to get a mile in. If we're really feeling it and if it's not too cold, we might go to the big lake. Good old Lake Michigan. I'm not too far away from the lake, the big lake. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how we feel when we go outside. Let's see. Alexa, what temperature is it?
Right now, it's 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 26 degrees.
Okay, it's 30 degrees. The sun is just about to set. It's going to be pretty cold. So I think I'll wear my big coat. But, okay, let's go. Definitely doesn't feel like Christmas yet. All the leaves are still on the ground, which is gorgeous, but feels definitely more like fall. That's okay though. So, in a lovely turn of events, my sister actually went and got our car and is going to pick me up, which is perfect because I did that thing where you get too far away from the house and then you're too far away from the house. It's really cold out. She's going to pick me up. She's not feeling very well, so we're going to go to Walgreens and get her some cold medicine. What a pretty walk, though. This is the walk that I take when I need to leave my desk. Thanks for joining me. Welcome to the vlog.
We really should not be together right
I know, she's a little bit contagious. Okay, we're going to Walgreens. Goodbye. Okay, I'm back. I just dropped my sister off at her house. She is sick as a dog. I am glad that I was able to help her get her prescription and that she was able to pick me up because I was cold. But anyway, I'm headed back home now and I'll see you then. We made it back home. It is very cold outside, so I was happy to get picked up by my sister. We share the car, so I would say we live like 10 minutes apart from each other, and then the car is like kind of closer to my house than to hers. But we share the car, so she was out. She went to urgent care to get some antibiotics because she's not feeling good. And after that, she was going to go to Walgreens, and I knew she was going to pass right by where I was walking, and I was like, do you want to just pick me up? Because my fingers were going numb because it was so cold outside. So yeah, it was nice that she picked me up, and now I'm back home. I think I'm going to put on Elf tonight. We watched Home Alone last night, so I'm going to watch Elf tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. Wait, hold on, don't leave yet. I almost forgot. We have to do our advent calendar. We are at the top of this building. I think it's a little boot. Let's see. So cute. Okay, now I can officially sign off. Thank you. See you tomorrow.